What's up guys? We're outside. We're gonna go for lunch. Meet namin si Tita Maylene, yung tita ni April na taga Pasig. So, gonna have lunch with her. Tara! Ito lang pala yung pupuntahan namin. And nandun lang yung Airbnb namin. So, quick walk. Japanese restaurant. Who wants sushi? As you guys can see, this is her. Dito naman kami ngayon sa mall, doon sa harap ng unit namin, doon sa Airbnb. Napasyal namin si Tita. So, yeah, yun lang. We do window shopping.
We're gonna buy
some coffee.
Some coffee, that's right, boy.
That's right, boy.
Ooh, I want that.
Well, yogurt,
I want.
frozen,
I want this one. Yeah, Hokkaido.
Hokkaido. Are you a dog?
Please. What do you like? This one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
I don't like that one.
This one, this one, this one.
I don't like that one.
I said don't say I don't like that watch. Just pick.
I don't like that one. Let me see Kuya Elijah. Does it taste good?
Blueberry. I like blueberry.
Can I try?
Has a hint of sourness at the end.
Because it's yogurt. You like that one? Is it yummy? Guys, we went home kanina, took a nap. Now it's dinner time. We're gonna go to Uptown Mall. Oh, hi Amal.
Hey!
Tingnan natin kung anong masarap kainin. Ngayon di namin alam kung saan kami kakain. We're just feeling the vibe dito sa Uptown. Ooh, meron kami nakitang seafood, red crab. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, I like that. Let's go. Chicken tender. Come on. I want to have crab. You just had crab. What?
Ano, dito na. Oh, masarap sila dito ah. Masarap ah. Go. Well, we just found what we were gonna eat. Red crab. Shout out. Sponsor us. Wow. Guys, ang laki ng crab namin, oh. You see that? Holy smoke. Holy smoke. Laki, sana maraming laman. Let's eat. Guys, taob. Ubos lahat. Pati yung plate ni Ellis, oh. Parang hindi kumain, eh. Oh. Simot na simot. Ellis, what would you rate it?
Of course. 1,000.
1,000. Holy. Yeah, W for red crab, man. So good. Worth every penny. Let's go. Ngayon, mag-ano lang kami. May titingnan, bibili ng pang mosquito, whatever. Kasi may mga kagat sila ng lamok. And then, after that, ikot-ikot na lang. And then, probably go back sa Airbnb namin. And today is our last night. Tomorrow morning, alis na kami dito sa BGC. And then, we'll go to Talisay. Good night.
Good night, bro.
Good night.
Good night, bro.